guys, welcome to Perfect Lean Body. I prepared for you amazing abs routine. Very quick, very fast, in the morning or in the evening, in the gym or at home. Please like it, share it, subscribe. Check out my new Perfect Lean Body workouts. Check out my new Get Ready for Bikini workouts. And let's do this one. It's gonna be only 5 exercises. You do 30 reps of each exercise. And that's it. You can complete 3 rounds if you want to, but 1 round is okay too. And let's go for it together. So, let's start. We will target our abs. So let's go down, and you will be alternating legs. So you lift up one leg, you touch your leg with your opposite arm, and then you go down and you switch. So touch and down, touch and down, and we do 30 reps, okay? Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, look up to the ceiling, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's do 15 more, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 more, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, last one. Amazing job, perfect. Second exercise, you go to your opposite elbow and opposite knee. So let's go up, you bring the elbow to your knee, and then you go down 30 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's go 20 more, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 only, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. I tell you, it is a challenge, it is amazing. We go on the other side. So arm and here, knee. Let's go, we can do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, only 15 more, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, last one. Amazing, guys, amazing, amazing. I already feel it. Wow, Perfect. Swing on your back. That will be our 4 exercise. So you can put your head on your elbows, on your palms if you want to, or you look up to the ceiling, don't put the chin on your chest, and you swing side to side and you touch your feet. So you can do this one, side to side, or you can do this one. And let's go 30 reps. Look up. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. Amazing job. Perfect. Last exercise. Let's go to plank. And we will just hold for 30 counts. Place your hands under your shoulders. Let's go up. Keep your core tight. And let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. Amazing. And that's it. So this was only 1 round. You can complete 3 rounds, but I promise already 1 round is good enough. So like it, share it, subscribe, check out my new Perfect Lean Body workouts, check out my new Get Ready for Bikini, and I will see you in another workout. Have a fabulous day. Bye.